The lion's mane. I thought it didn't come out on this tree, but here's where it came out this year. This might be fresh now. Impossible to get though. So the other side of this is where the bigger hole is, where it came out last year. So I walked down from this path, walked down here, and I come around. And I said, what the heck? I found another one on a different spot on the same tree and another tree. It was on the side of the tree that I know of another tree. This is the bigger tree that had a bigger lion's mane, and it grew out this little hole on this side of the tree. So I'm going to cross the creek here. There's one place I know of oysters being, so I'm going to go for some oysters now. But anyway, I noticed that lion's mane, so I figured I'd show that because someone will want to know this. And we have it. That's pretty neat. I didn't turn around. I thought it just dudded out and didn't come out on that tree. But I came out on the other side of it. All right, I'm gonna walk across here. Otherwise, I gotta walk around this big trail in a hunting area over there. This is giving me a little shortcut. Hopefully, I don't drop the phone. Hopefully, I don't drop the phone. Right? And then I'll walk up that side over there. These are my newer boots. They're not very flexible either. Kind of stiff. I developed leaks in my other one. Walk up that edge. Okay. Sticker got my hat. Come on, get up. There we go. This whole place is clay mud, so you gotta be careful. It's all wet now. Backpack on. Oh dang. Alright, here's the trail. Alright, put that here. There we go. Let's see if these oysters are here. I got them into winter. We picked them frozen last year. Let's see. Let's get a nice shot of that sun there. So hard to find regular oysters anymore. Dang, Goldens took over early summer through the summer. There's no oysters around. Oysters are better than Goldens. So we got them last year. I'm seeing got them off that big log right there. Some bugs out today. I got people here now. And I don't see them. I don't see them. Some more logs down here. I'll let you pass. I'll stand here. I guess I was invisible as usual. Yeah. It's like nobody even communicates. You try to let them pass, they don't even communicate. What's going to happen when the shit hits the fan, man? Pretty neat. This camera doesn't pick up any light unless I zoom in on it. There we go. Got it. If you're behind the sun, it just looks all dark. It looks alright from this angle. Well, the ground is once again getting wet. Get these damn notifications off my screen. I can't even see what I'm doing. Whoop. Oh, it turned around on me. How long was I filming myself? I thought I was doing a good job too. Alright, some more logs will be down in here. All along here. See what we can find. And it's getting wet. I bet that kept the meats cool back in the day. Oh, I think I'm chewing gum too loud for you. All right. If we find anything, I'll let you know. Got these box elders everywhere. You know what grows good on box elders, don't you? Golden oysters, wood ear, and pheasant back or badass saddle. Yep. Alright, we're gonna shut this off till I find something. I see something in the tree, but it might be a broken branch. Yeah, broken branch. Well, we are holding water. That's good. As long as I don't drop my phone in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, holding water. Alright, let's see what we got. There's a little chicken of the woods growth here last year, right on this log. I don't see it now.